So I want to tell that instead I will go with these things. These are very simple commands. Seriously, these things are very important. So again, I redirection postponed it. So we'll go to sort command. Sorting command. Guys, to do this practical, we needed data. You can copy the data from here, like this, copy, and put it in your notepad. Okay, or otherwise you can directly copy. No problem. Just look at here. So guys, when you put it like this and press the tab button, guys, can you able to hear? Can you able to see my screen or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I took a data. So see, it is. I copied into my notepad. You can copy from my notepad also. Okay. See, I put a press the tab button, so it will give you a tab space. Okay. So here also same thing. Give the tab space. Tab space. Remember what I'm doing. Otherwise, what happened? The space. See, the space differences. It will give you a different type of outputs. Not only now, even when you are put the data like this. Okay, so this is my emp1 file. emp1 file. So this is want to put a data into my emp1 file. Okay, so I want to create the file first and then we'll do the remaining commands. Okay, yeah, of course. I have a terminal. So morning I created a SSH connection, right? So instead of doing the work in my physical machine, so in my Linux machine directly, I can do it with the SSH also. So make sure it is working. Yes, it is working. Put a clear command. Okay. So I'm going to put a data into this, and it is quite easy to copy from here to here without worries. Okay. Cat double greater. Okay, before that one, so what to do? Put check it. Any files are there? Only file one is there. Cat double greater emp1 or single greater emp1 also okay. Now copy this data. Copy this data in a blank space. No need to put a control P kind of stuff, guys. Simply put a right click. See, the data is on the screen. So enter control D. So I saved the data. I saved the data and look at what data you have. See, data is there. Okay. If in case better, you can go with the nano editor or VA editor. Open with the VA editor. Okay. So look at here. So you have a data. So go to insert mode. Press the tab button. See, make sure that this is data with a tab space is there or not. Okay, tab space is there or not. So click each and every column wise tab space. Okay, put a backspace and press the tab button. Put the backspace and press the tab button. Like that, you can able to maintain a thing. Otherwise, it is not belong. It is not become a table kind of stuff. I'm escape colon WQ. Escape colon WQ to save and exit. Now we have a VA. So this is we done. We created a EMP file. Guys, look at cat EMP1. We have a file. Next command is sort. Sort EMP1. Now you will tell me what happened. I'm sorting the data. By default, it is sorting the first column in the alphabetical order. Okay, it's sorting the data in the alphabetical order. Sorting the data in the alphabetical order. Alphabetical order, whatever it is, in order. Okay, alphabetical order. Here it is also, it contains folder order, sorted in order. Okay, so that is the thing about a sort. Okay, so there is a options also there, so we'll see that options. Guys, if you observe, here it is a M K A J N R is there. Here it is A J K M N R. It means first column only sorted. Next, smaller sort space small r emp1 hyphen r here reverse see RNMKJA reverse by default first column by default first column. Want to sort a particular column like a second column. I sorted my second column. You can see 18, 21, 23, 24, 28, 31. In generally data is in this form 31, 24, 28, 23, 28, 21, 18. But here it is 18, 21, 23, 24, 28, 31. So if you want to sort the third column like this, you want to sort the fourth column like this. Yes, can anybody will tell what is the column in the fourth column sorting?
Numerically not cut. 950
Very
is
good.
down there.
Numerically it is not correct. So it is alphabetically it is sorted, not as a value of the number. So 3500 is much higher than 9950, right? So 950, but 950 is in bottom. So it is 3500 400 5000 5500 85000 950. So like this, even though 950 is a lesser than 350, it should be it is showing in a bottom. So what to do? We have to tell when you are sorting the take based on the value, not as a just alphabetical order. Okay, alphabetical order. So just go with the numerical value. So that is hyphen n. See, now it is 950 3500 4400 like that. So it will n represent numerical value. In this one, we didn't get a column. So when you are sorting a column number 2, that time you are not getting much facing any problem. But this time you are getting a little thing. Why? Because of the values are like if you put a 9 or a something directly 8, so it may give you that problem, but yeah, it is not there. Okay, so thing is when you are sorting, it is taking as an alphanumeric value, but you want to sort based on the value of the number, you should use the option called -n. So this is sort command. This is sort command. Okay, guys, understand or not?
Understood, sir.
Very good. So I'm leaving like this only. Okay. Next one is cut. Cut is a field cutter. It is a field cutter. It cuts the fields into that one. So this is a field cutter. Okay. Yeah, guys, compulsory go to the PPT and find out the options and all. I'm just telling how to do it. That's it. Okay. Field cutter, two options are there. So we'll see the other two options. Again, I put a clear cat EMP1 first. What is the data? Next, cut F1 EMP1. Oh, what it is showing? Only the first column. Okay, cut space hyphen F1 EMP1. It only is showing first column. I want to display first column and second column. Like this also you can show it. I want to display only fourth column. I want to display only fourth column. I want to display first and fourth column. Okay, guys, the question is I want to display first and third column. First and third column, both columns I want to display, remaining I don't want. First and third. One.
Hyphen F1 3.
Very good. Comma 3. So I minus hyphen F1 comma 3. So first column and third column. Guys, these are commands or filter commands. So it means actual data not alter. Original file is original file only, not changes. Another one type of cutter is there, that C1 cutter. It means column cutter type. The column means it's not just a one particular column kind of stuff. It is of even the first character type of cutter it is. M, K, A, J, A, R, it is will come up. So you can look at this one like this. Okay. You want to see 1, 2, 3. See. You want to see 1 to 5, 1 to 4. Like this also you can see. 5, it is a 5, right? So 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 9, 10. Like this.
Sir, is there any distinction that I can say?
I didn't get it, but I think you're asking this question. Actually, what it is. Okay. I think you're asking that question. So I'm showing the output here. So like first of all, take the data. So if you look at this one, hyphen C1, when you put a hyphen C1, meaning is Yeah, I take a yellow color for this one. Okay, like this. See, this is a hyphen C1. So what is hyphen C2? C2, C3, C4, C5. You know, this is C6. The empty space between these two days is 6. This is 7, 8. Again, this is 9. This is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, so this is from 1 to 21. Single character lines are there. So when I put a C1, it is displaying the first one. When I put a C1, comma, C1 to C3, so it is showing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. When I put a like this, so what I use the command 10 to 15, 10 to 15. So it will search like this is 8, this is 9, so this is 10, right? So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this line, okay, straight line you have to take it. So that's why up to E it is coming. So look at here. Main AG, R is missing, and remaining are not crossing that line. It is showing like same thing, 7, 8, like that. You got the point? It is a character wise cutting. So F1, F is a full column wise it is getting. C1 is not full column wise, it is a character wise. Character wise. Okay, character wise. Guys, understand or not? What I got it? Got it or not? Column cutter.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You try once, no problem. Okay. If you little bit doubt, F is very easy. C hyphen C is a little difficult. And SAR also given certain things like this. If you try, you want to try, like you can try. Sort completed. Sort with the options. Grep is already I told. Cut, paste, translate. Paste. Paste is like a horizontal paste, like it won't paste anything. Just it is also combine more than one file horizontally. Okay, it combine more than one file horizontally. Horizontally, we can able to combine. So, guys, for this one, I have a EMP1. So cat EMP1 is already there. So if you look at, there is a 6 rows are there. 6 rows are there, and 4 columns are there. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create another file EMP2. EMP2. You can use a single greater or double greater. Why? Because of by accidentally sometimes you will change the existing data. So I use like that. So no problem. Actually, you can use single or a double greater. Okay, I'm using some numbers like a some numbers, so random numbers. Okay, 4, 5. Totally I said 6 now. Six. So cat EMP2. So this is the data. Okay. So this data I created. I'm putting paste EMP1, EMP2. Look at this data. The EMP1 files entire columns are shown. EMP2 data also shown. Horizontal combination. Horizontally it is showing. But actual data is not altered. Actual data is not altered. It is only for display purpose only. See, the EMP2 is in starting, EMP1 is in next. Side by side. Side by side. Okay. So this is your paste. Horizontally you're getting. Okay. Next one is translate. Guys, understand paste? Side by side paste. Horizontal.
So,
Okay, we'll see the translate. Translate is little kind of stuff. So, but we'll see the translate. PR. Translate. Okay. So we'll see this. What is the use of this translate? Okay. When you see the data in cat EMP1, some letters are cap letters, some are small letters. Okay. But we'll see what will happen. Translate A hyphen Z, A to Z, meaning is A to Z, to capital A to Z. This is a input redirection, means you are giving a input. EMP1. See, it is showing all are in capital letters only. A in a capital A, B capital B, like that it is coming. But just for fun, you can do it. You can put a as a Z in EMP1 file. Wherever the A is there, it become a Z. Where is the A is located, it become Z. You can see it is a capital Z, not a small z also. It is a become a capital Z. Okay, and also you can convert entire data into small letters also. Look at here, everything is small letters. Like translate one type of character into different type of character. You can make A as a B, you can make A as a E. So also we can do it. So like I done A to Z, right? I put a instead of A, make it E. Okay. Madhu, Kumar, Ironi, like see, okay. It's become a different manager, manager. Okay. So it is like that. So you can do it. Okay. So this is called translate. So one form of data so that we can show in a different way or a different characters wise. Also you can able to convert it. Guys, understand translate? Also, you can create different files also, no problem. Okay, so if you put a cat a file1, so if the file1 contains anything, nothing is there. That is root, right? Okay, cat double greater file1. This is file1. Here to translate control. Okay, see cat file1. This is the data. I put a tr a to z, a to z file1. See, like this. So like this also you can try. So I change it, or you can change single character, one character into another character. Okay, like that also you can do it. This is the translate. Piping and T. Piping and T, guys. The piping and T is very, very important in the Linux. Piping is one of the thing. Already I told. Grep, pipe, very important. Grep, pipe, find, very important. So everything is important commands. Pipe is compulsory, guys. You must know. Okay, T also you must know, but this pipe is very important one. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I will tell once pipe. Okay, so we'll see. Pipe is thing. Look at here. Pipe is like this. This is the pipe. You know where is the pipe is located? So above this one. This is a bottom key is enter. Above the enter there is a button you can look at. So you want a pipe, compulsory you need a shift. Okay, you need a shift, like this is shift pipe. If I don't put a shift, this is slash. Okay, so here it is your pipe kind of stuff. Look at very carefully and find out where is the pipe in your keyboard. Okay, normal symbolic representation of pipe is the broken line. Okay, it is a broken line like this. Like this. Okay, this is the pipe. This exactly look like this. Not a small and a big, so it is pipe. This is the pipe. Okay. So what is the use? This is pipe. Guys, look at here. Command. Any command will display some output. Okay. And I put a pipe and I put a command. In a bash commands, when you put a command, there must be an option possible, right? There is an option and argument. Okay, there is a argument, command, option, argument. Okay, in generally, once you given a command, the command is generate an output, right? It means a command must require an argument. So based on this argument, okay, based on the argument or based on the command, so whatever it is, it generate a output. It generate a output. So that is meaning of this one. So first it generate a output. Now a command required either works directly or some argument. Some argument. It means some input is required. Command is required sometimes based depends upon your command. It required argument or an input is required. Argument or input is required. In a pipe condition, so this output of the first command is input to the second command. This is my first command, this is my second command divided by pipe. output of first command is input of second command. Okay. So if you look at here, look at this one. Okay. Sort EMP1. So my first column is sorted. That is my output. Pipe hyphen F1. Normally, cut hyphen F1, I should give file name. File name for giving the input data, but I'm not giving any file name here, but I will get it. Meaning is, this is the output of my first command. This is the output of my first command. In this output, I want to take the first column. So that is my second command. So output of the first command is input for the second command. Input for the second command. Okay. For example, I put a WC. No. Yeah. Who? How many users are logging? 5. WC space hyphen L. See, 4 lines are there. 4 lines are there in this particular output. In this output, 4 lines are there. In this particular output, 4 lines are there. Okay. This is the who output, and I redirect this all the lines and ask my second command to count number of lines. Count number of lines. Okay. Anything, just ask me. I will try to explain, guys, whether you understand or not. Pipe. What is the output of this one? Tell me. What is the output of this one?
10 lines on this.
First 10 lines. Head.
Yes, sir.
First 10 lines. So these are the 10 lines. I want to count how many lines are displaying in my screen. I want to count how many lines are displaying. 5. See, 10 lines are there. Okay. Okay. This is the command. Will display first 10 lines. I want to sort these lines. I want to display by sorting. How to do it? This output, I want to sort it. How to sort it?
Pipe sort.
No need to give any file name and all. We are taking an output of the first command and input to the second command. So very good. That is A, see, ADM, bin, daemon, like that it will come. Last time, one madam asked a question. So based on that, I thought this is the question, right question to ask the people. Guys, I have a file. I put a less command only. So /etc/passwd. This is contains so many lines. This file contains so many lines, right? So I want to get display a 20th line. Want to get display 20th line. Want to get display 20th line. How to get it? /20th line. How to display first 20 lines? Command.
It is /etc/password. Yes.
First 20 lines. Now I want that last line only. What is the last line? This is first line, second line, third line, fourth line, fifth line, like that. What is the last line? As per this one, what is the last line?
PC.
PC.
What is the last line?
Hyphen
Meaning is how many lines are there? This is first line, second line, third line, fourth line, fifth line, sixth line, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what is the last line? We are counting
20.
from 20th line, right? So I got a 1 to 20. The last line is 20th line. So I got a 20th line. But I don't want all these lines. I want last line only. So what to do now?
head
What to do?
hyphen 1.
Head hyphen 1. Then first line only. Last line. Last line command is, first line's command is head. Last line command is
Tail.
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 Last 5 lines, hyphen 5. Last line. Last 5 lines means hyphen 5. Last 3 lines, hyphen 3. Last line,
Tail 1.
hyphen 1. See? Only 20th line you are getting. See it, right? Yes, understand or not? It is displaying 20 lines. I took the 20 lines and put a tail hyphen 1. Means I want out of 20 line, I want a last line only. Out of 20, I want last line. That is the 20th line. You know, the question is, what I question is asked. What question is? Display 20th line in slash etc slash pass wd. This is the question, right? And I got a 20th line. You know, original command is like this. The original command is sed hyphen n 20p slash etc slash pass wd. See, this is the main command. This is the command. Display 20, print 20th line. N means silent, N means silent, P means print. So print the 20th line. So that is a SCD command. Without learning this command, are we done the task or not? That is my point. Are we done this task or not?
Yes.
Okay. So that is what I'm saying is, in a Linux, you no need to learn like, sir, I don't know this particular command, I don't know this particular command. So important thing is, we want to get an output. That's the important. You want to get an output. We'll put all the other things. Guys, history is a command. Display all the history. History is the command. Display history of your commands. History is a command to show you history means what are the commands you have done previously, that will be displayed. And also we can repeat certain commands if you want it also. Okay. So I will show you the thing also how to repeat the command. So then I will history also finish. Okay, so here it is. I want to say pipe, but it is the symbol is pipe. So remember, in output of first command is input to second command. Okay, what is the first command? What output? So compulsory, guys, before you practice, when you are practicing, compulsory see the first one and get the output. Okay, so this is the thing. And already I told what is history. This is the history number when you put a history command. I want to repeat this particular command. Look at here. 128. 1 second. See? Exclamatory mark 128 means I repeat this particular command again. Okay. I want to repeat this 136. Exclamatory mark 136. See? I repeated this command and this is my output. So from the history also you can able to repeat the command. Of course, for example, I given a some command here, echo hello Linux. Now I want to repeat that last command. So I can able to do like this. See, double exclamatory mark. Repeat the last command. Repeats the last command. Let's understand history command.
Yes, sir.
Is a command shows three of commands done on terminal. Or by a user. Particular user base only. User base commands only to display. Okay. Not a terminal base. It is by actually by user. Okay. So it is history of commands. User commands. Okay. I put a this something. I put a command is history. Okay. And I cut something. Okay. This is the history. So then you can try. I repeated a command like this 128 like this. This is the command I given. I want to repeat the command like this. Okay. Exclamatory mark with the number represent repeat the command with the history number. Repeat last command. Okay. So this is finally history, guys. So yeah, this is it for now. Anybody having any doubts, please tell me. Is number of people are not improved? Why not improved? I said in morning, and of course I put a message also. Why people are not joining? I don't know. So it's okay. So stop recording.